Hello, I am Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we will review the important bony landmarks and soft tissue attachment sites around the medial aspect of the knee joint. Let's start with the femur. The adductor tubercle is a bony prominence located near the medial femoral epicondyle. Contrary to its name, the adductor magnus tendon does not directly attach here, but rather attaches slightly posterior and proximal to this tubercle. Transverse component of the MPFL. Moving to the soft tissues, the medial patellofemoral ligament has a transverse component. This attaches just below the adductor tubercle and above the superior attachment of the superficial medial collateral ligament. Medial patellatibial ligament and medial patellomeniscal ligament. At its distal pole, the patella has attachment sites for the medial patellomeniscal ligament and medial patellatibial ligament. These can have a combined insertion or be separate, with variable proximal distal relationships. On the tibial side, the medial patellatibial ligament attaches near a bony ridge termed the medial tibial tubercle, around 5 mm distal to the joint line. Superficial MCL attachments. On the femur, recent studies show the superficial MCL attaches 3 mm proximal and 5 mm posterior to the medial epicondyle. Some evidence suggests it actually covers the epicondyle itself, with the center 1 to 2 mm proximal. On the tibia, it has a proximal soft tissue attachment 10 to 12 mm below the joint line, and a broader attachment distal. Deep MCL attachments. The deep MCL femoral attachment is just proximal to the superficial MCL. Distally, it runs posterior to anterior, attaching in a fan-like shape about 8 mm below the joint line on the tibia. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.